Hi guys, ArchieLuxury, and who do I recommend in America? In America, who do I recommend for quality pre-owned wristwatches? David SW, David SW, David SW. Go to davidsw.com. He is the best, the greatest pre-owned dealer in all of the United States of America. David SW, David SW, David SW. Hey guys, ArchieLuxury doing a live unboxing. So guys, I just got a watch in. And this here is going to surprise a few people. It's a wrist watch by a maker I don't normally buy or speak that highly of. Yeah, it's a Cartier. That's correct, guys. It's a Cartier. So I'm just gonna slice this box open here. Just let me open this up. I'm just slicing and dicing this box. Here we go. Okie dokie. So guys, it's a Cartier. So I actually got this watch from my good friends E-Lady. And I'm just gonna open this up with my trusty, using my S-Linger knife. They sent me this knife. Da-da-da-da, let's have a look. Da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da, da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Okay, we got some stuff from E-Lady there. Thank you, E-Lady. And then we are opening it up. Da-da-da-da. What do I think? Let's have a look. I'm just going to open this up and let's have a look here. There we go, the papers. Let's have a look. What do we got here? We've got it's a Cartier. And this here tells you how to set it. And this one here, tells you that's the papers for the watch. So yes, indeed. Okay. Very interesting indeed there. Thank you. And now, let's open her up and have a look. What watch did I get? Look. So, I haven't owned a Cartier in a while. I had the Roadster. I don't know if you guys remember. I had the Roadster. Da-da-da-da. Wowzers. And here it is. Da-da-da-da. And it's a ladies Tank Francaise. It's a ladies Tank Francaise. There we go. A Cartier Tank Francaise. So, what do I think? Yes, it's actually quite nice. It's quite pleasant. Yes, it indeed is quite delightful. It's quite delightful. It's quite delightful. So, yeah, a Cartier Tank Francaise. Very interesting indeed. Cartier Tank Francaise. Yes. It's okay. It's nice. It is a nice watch there, I suppose. Yes, it's a Cartier Tank Francaise, ladies, guys. It's okay. There we go, guys. An ArchieLuxury live unboxing. Cartier Tank Francaise. Hey guys, I did an unboxing for a ladies Cartier before, and I gotta tell you, I'm not happy. I'm not happy with this watch. A number of things I think is wrong with this watch. First thing is, this is a Tank Francaise, and this was the box. This is completely the wrong box. The Tank Francaise had that big puffy box, you know, with the sort of a puffy cushion in it, you know, the very fluffy puffy cushion in it, you know. This one here, the box looks minty, except that I got a feeling it may not be original because it's kind of cheap. The corner is, this end here is kind of lifting off. See what I mean? It's lifting out. So that annoys me. The other thing is the papers. This watch is supposedly from 1997, and these booklets look absolutely minty. And when I look at the page where the serial number and the name is, it looks like it was typed yesterday. I'm just not convinced this is like a 20-plus-year-old watch. It's supposed to be 24 years old. It doesn't really feel right. The watch itself here, it's a Japanese market watch. It's got every link. Normally the Japanese, the links are really short. So that worries me. I've had a really close look up of the dial. I don't think it's perfect. And on the back, where it's got Cartier and the numbers engraved on the back, I'm not happy with the quality. So what am I going to do? I'm going to actually get my friend to look at it. I got a friend who's a watch dealer. I'll get him to look at it and give me his opinion. And what I'm going to do is, I want to send it back. I got it from E-Lady, and they say we offer 14 days money back. So you know what? I'm going to send it back. I don't want it. I don't feel comfortable with it. I don't want it. And I got to get my duty back too, because obviously it was fully declared. I declare all the right duty. They declared all the right duties and taxes. So let's see how I go about getting that back. So taxes, I got about $400 in taxes and duties to claim back. And I've also got, I want to send it back and get my money back from E-Lady. They said they offer 14 days money back unconditional. So yeah, I'm not convinced. I'm just a little bit, I paid a lot of money for this watch and I don't feel 100%. So I'd like to return it and get my money back. And I'm going to show you on the YouTube channel how well it goes. And I bought a couple watches. I bought a Breguet from E-Lady, which was beautiful. I bought 2 Omega Constellation ladies, which I've still got. I love those. This here, I'm just not happy with it. I paid a lot of money, and I want my money back. 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 So that's exactly what I am going to do. I'm going to present the videos on my tubes on the channel to see how that goes. So I would like my money back, E-Lady. Let's see how smooth. And also Australian Border Force, I want my GST and my duty back. That's right, guys. So let's see how it goes. Hey guys, check out one of my best friends, Jamie Opulence, on YouTube. Just go to Jamie Opulence on YouTube. A fantastic channel from my good friend Jamie. Check it out, guys. Hey guys, ArchieLuxury. Guys, I want to introduce a new service to you. ValueYourWatch.com. Proud supporters of ArchieLuxury. No seller's fees, no buyer's fees. That's right, guys. This is a trading platform to buy or sell watches. You can start selling for free. That's right. We advertise our paying subscribers on Google, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn. It's a global platform. That's right, guys. Get $50 off the annual subscription by applying the coupon Archie when you check in there. But guys, you can try this for free straight away. Guys, you can start listing watches. ValueYourWatch.com. Give it a try and tell me what you guys think of that.
Feeling me, me. All these neck just wanna be a mini me. All these neck just wanna be a mini me. All these neck just wanna be a mini me. Feeling me, me. All these neck just wanna be a mini me. All these neck just wanna be a mini me. All these neck just wanna be a mini me. Feeling me, me. All these neck just wanna be a mini me. All these neck just wanna be a mini me. All these neck just wanna be a mini me.
Like, subscribe, and tell your friends, and don't be afraid to get a paid review. $50 for a paid review. It helps me stay full-time on YouTube, and I will see you in the next one. $50 paid review. I can't survive on Google Ads. I need your support. And guys, you could also sponsor me on Patreon. Patreon allows you to pay as little as $1 a month to keep me on YouTube. Hey guys, ArchieLuxury. Who do I recommend for watches in Brisbane and Sydney? Vintage Watch Co. That's correct. Vintage Watch Co. in Brisbane Arcade in Brisbane and the Strand Arcade in Sydney. Vintage Watch Co. Brisbane and Sydney. Ronnie, I've known him since the late 90s. Ronnie is a top bloke. Luke is a great guy. Vintage Watch Co. That is who I recommend in Australia. Check out Vintage Watch Co. and the guys' amazing range of watches. They also do service and repairs. Vintage Watch Co. That is where the Pontiff goes. You know, some of my Pateks came from Vintage Watch Co. That's right, guys. Vintage Watch Co.